welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I go by the name of Katie Love or just Katie. Today I'm going to be doing a very beginner friendly makeup tutorial. I consider this like a real for real beginner friendly makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using 100% drugstore and hair store products. Let's get started. And I'm going to be using the Milani Prime Shield. This just is. You can get this from Walmart, Walgreens, anywhere that sell Milani. Oh, I ain't got no lashes. It's because I don't. I really don't care. You can talk about me. You can't talk about me. You're not going to fight me, so it don't matter. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340. This is my rotating sponge. I'm gonna take some eyelash glue. I don't know how that sounds. So this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. It was $7.98 from the hair store. And then this is a hair store product. This is the NK Makeup Perfection Multi-Use Concealer, and this is in the shade, I don't know if that's a 6 or a 9. Oh, 9 Camel. So it looks like this. If you look at them side by side, they look kind of about the same shade, but this one is warmer. I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush. This don't have no name on it. I don't know what brand this is. Now this is the NYX one. I don't know if I want to use this NK one because I guess I'll use it on the outer perimeter of my face. I'm going to blend with the same sponge. See, because I use that darker shade on the outer corner, it's not as like bright. By my nose, I'm going to use a smaller sponge. To contour, I'm going to be using the shade C14. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. You can get these from Ulta. They're like $12. I'm lining it up with my eyebrow. So like where my eyebrow is. This shade look kind of ashy though. Like muddy. I could work with it. To blend my contour, I'm going to take a sponge, just a regular sponge. It's clean, but you know how sponges be staining sometimes. I'm using a small contour-ish brush. I like to keep a towel to wipe the excess product on. I start by blending up into my brow. Then I'm gonna go back over it with this sponge I used to conceal my contour. The same sponge that I used to blend out my concealer. So you see it's not as harsh as it was before. Some people might not see a difference, but I do. I'm going to take medium 100W by ColourPop. I know it looks kind of bright, but to help the center of my nose pop more. I think I'm gonna also take this in the corner of my eyes to kind of make my highlight a little brighter. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade 30. Honestly, I'm not a fan of powder because it be getting everywhere. One second, y'all. Brief intermission. If you or a loved one are suffering from mesothelioma, something, you may be entitled to compensation. Please do not sit around waiting for your loved one to die before you collect some money. Announcement number 1. Ain't this how they commercial go? Y'all, I'm getting this shit everywhere. Like, gonna go once under Once again, under my eye to make sure all this is blended. Now for my contours, to set my contour, I'm gonna go in with my 360 Fit Me powder in the shade Mocha. I hate taking off acrylics because like they be making my nails real thin sometimes, or like a layer will peel off. I don't know, acrylics. And I'm gonna take this shade and use it to set my nose contour. I'm not sure if Ben I sold in the hair store or drugstore. I'm gonna take the colorless powder. This is specifically for my nose contour. This is really all I use it for. I had a blush palette specifically from Juvia's Place, but it got stolen. Whoever stole it, you're a broke bitch. You're a broke bum bitch selling used makeup. And I hope you're watching this video, and I hope I step on your toe, and I hope that when you walk, your ankle twists to the side and you fall in front of everybody. For your two palettes, I used your model today. I usually use these to the contour, but I was doing something different. This is the Even New York 24-Hour Flawless Brow Pencil. I've been going through a lot of changes in my life lately, and I just feel like a lot of stuff really doesn't matter. Like, stuff doesn't matter. It's giving me a very natural vibe. I'm going to be using my NYX matte liquid liner. I'm just gonna use my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. I'm gonna be using my Jerry Girl collection lashes. This is in the shade Star Shade. This is in the style Star. As I previously said, I don't have a lot of lashes because I suffer with this. Well, in the DSM-5, I guess it would be considered an OCD disorder. But I pull my lashes. It's called Trichotillomania. Some people pull their lashes, eyebrows, pubic hair, any type of body hair, they pull it out. Me, I pull my lashes and my brows. Right now, I'm not pulling those things because I'm just not in that phase right now. Right now, I'm trying to overcome that. And the reason I'm being so open about it is because I actually want something to hold me accountable. It's annoying. It can be discouraging, you know. We all suffer with our own things. I never know who I could inspire because, you know, some people are ashamed of that. Me personally, I was ashamed, but the more I talk about it, the more I realize I'm not the only person that suffers with this. I'm gonna go do my hair, put this lash on, do my hair, and I will come back to y'all with the finished look. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. On my lips, I have IOC Cosmetics lip glazes. One is in the shade Almond. And I'm not exactly what sure shade this is, but I use these too. My hair did something to it. HC don't want to lay down, so life of being natural. And I will see you all in my next video. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a makeup video or uploading stuff because so why not? And I'll be back next week with another video.